There are gaps in how we do elementary, middle, and high school education. I want to fill those gaps for our kids, for ourselves, and for each other. You see, we all have an innate capacity for confidence, creativity, and peace of mind no matter the circumstances. We can all at any moment get grounded, express ourselves authentically, and explore and develop skills in any areas we're interested in. I want all students graduating high school, and all of us adults who already have, to have reliable access to being in love with life no matter the circumstances. My workshops for adolescents and for adults, both starting next week, address this very gap. I hope you'll join me and stop asking why aren't things as good as we know they could be, and instead find out who we really can be to live the most enjoyable, passionate, and fulfilling lives we can. Have a great week.